In this video, I'm going to show you how to split your screen into multiple windows. So I'm using Windows 11. Now you want to go to Settings and you can click on the Start menu here, and it's here. Click on Settings, click on System, click on Multitasking, and this is the feature in Windows 11. It's called Snap Windows. Turn it on. There's a drop down tab here. Click on it. You want to make sure all of this is checked. Now I have 4 apps open. I have PowerPoint, I have the calculator, Microsoft Edge, and Notepad. So when I hover my mouse over the maximize button, I get 4 options here. So this is where you can split your screen into 2 windows. This one is another 2, but one is bigger and the other one is smaller. This one is 3 and this one is 4. So for example, if I want Notepad and the calculator to open side by side, I hover my mouse over the maximize button. Now when I click on the right window, that means Notepad will be on the right side. So I'll click on it. So Notepad is on the right side and all the others show on the left. Now I have to select which one I would like to take up this entire window here. So I'm going to choose the calculator. When I click on that, it takes up the entire window here. So to use the other option, the left window here is bigger and the right window is smaller. So I want Notepad to be the smaller window. So I'll click on the right window here. And as you can see, this window is bigger. Now I would like PowerPoint to occupy the entire window here, so I'll just have to click on it, and this is how it shows. Now on the third option, I want PowerPoint to be on the left window, so I'll click on this and it's on the left. Now I have 2 windows here, so I want Microsoft Edge to occupy this entire window here. All I have to do is click on it. The third window here, I want calculator to occupy this window, so I'll just click on calculator, and this is how it shows. Now the fourth option is where the screen is split into 4 separate screens. So I'll click on the right quadrant here, and this is where Microsoft Edge will be, so I'll click on that. And as you can see, it's split into 4 screens. Now I want calculator to be on this screen. I just click on it. I want PowerPoint to be on this screen. Click on that. And I want Notepad to occupy this screen. Click on that. And this is how it shows. Now you can move this around. You just have to hold it with the mouse and you can drag it around. So I hope this video was helpful to you. I thank you for watching. I ask you to subscribe.